You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase correctly. If you've been confused, you found the right channel. I've got more confusing pronunciation videos for you coming up. Cruise, yes, it's like K-R-O-O-Z, cruise ship, a ship, not a sheep, a cruise ship, cruise ship, English pronunciation, how to pronounce cruise ship, cruise ship. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.